In 2013, within the glider deepwater development, a new subsea well was drilled near the existing glider 4 well. The drilling operations for the new well caused well cuttings to spread out over the drill center existing subsea equipment. No one realized at the time the long-term effects that would eventually ensue from the burial of the glider 4 well jumper. Over the next 3 years, there would be many pressure and temperature cycles from startups and shutdowns that would stretch and pull on the now locked-in-place jumper, causing fatigue at the elbows that were now pinned in by the mud. Three years later, in 2016, on an ordinary night at 8 p.m., an operator decided to start up the glider well 4 after being shut in.
Ed, I am going to bring on glider 4.
Sounds good, Ed. Let's get it started up.
How about you, Jerry?
Go for Jerry.
We are going for a well start on glider 4.
As the glider well started to ramp up, pressure and heat from the flow of hot crude caused the jumper to once again flex, as it has so many times over the last 3 years. But on this night, it was different. A stress crack occurred at the elbow underneath the mud, causing oil to flow into the Gulf. At this point in time, there were no subsea leak detection systems in place, so detection of leaks was solely reliant on the skill of the operator to identify that things were not normal.
Hey, Ed. The pressure on glider 4 is not building up when I bumped the choke.
Well, let me see here. Well, it could probably just be a slug unloading. Let's give it a bit longer and see how it's doing.
As the time went on, barrels of crude oil would spill in to the deep ocean and make its way to the surface.
Ed, the pressure on glider 4 still has not built up, and Jerry hasn't seen any more flow into the separators as expected. Something just ain't right here.
We probably should go ahead and shut it in.
And so the glider well was finally shut in, after spilling crude oil into the Gulf for nearly 6 hours. As helicopters flew the next morning, the aftermath of oil sheens could be seen on the surface for miles. During the Bessie investigation, the board operators reported that they did not consider that the subsea system could fail. They had also not been trained or conditioned to watch for signs of a leak. This example, among several others, is why emphasis is now placed on subsea leak detection and a think leak first mindset.